It ain't no rib bone, but I'll tell you what, the next best thing. Oh, we got something. Oh. It's a car's roof. Who remembers this spot? How cool is this? It's 3.5 Explorer. Yes, yes. Like I was saying, I've had one of these before, a few years back. And I do think they're a good little hull. Now the fun part, fitting it all out. We've already got a couple of rod holders to come with, so I've got a few spare ones and that I might add in, see how we go. Fit the old oars. I've even got a little fish finder, more for depth than anything, but yeah, I've had that for ages. Never been installed. This is the boat it's going on. What I've got to do is everything for this boat, I want it to stay with the boat. So I've got like life jackets, anchor, rope and all that sort of stuff. As much as I'd like a casting deck, just the weight, like I've only got a little 6 on the back, so but I just realised today, putting everything in, it's bigger than I thought, that little compartment up front. So what I might do, I might get away with just putting a bit of a flap, bit of a lid. Folds over, so I can lock everything in there. So pretty much I'll be able to keep everything for the tinny in the tinny. So when I take it off, it's all ready to go. So here we go anyway. I'll use it for a bit and see what needs to be done. Yeah, best way to go about things. Just one problem. Still got a flat tyre. Oh, it should be right. I've got a bit of super glue and everything this trip, but realise, yeah, it's not a puncher, it's the stem. It's ripped off the tube. Looks like I'm gonna have to go real bush style and get a bit of grass and throw in it or something. And you're gonna go slow and low, so not too far away from the water here, but stoked. Happy as a pig in shit, as one would say. Anyway, we're cooking dinner. Gonna have a bit of a feed and then yeah, dart off again. Go on another mission. But while we're cooking, look, it ain't no rib bone, but I'll tell you what, the next best thing definitely would have to be flank. Oh, yummo. And I reckon she's nearly done. calm out there. Nice and clear. Bonus, because I've got my favourite little plastic as well. The little Vibes. Red, green and black ones. Got a couple of them. Just eBay special, but plastics feel good. But yeah, just the hooks are always fine. See how I go if they get straightened out. I think I've got spare trebles back at camp. Swap them over. Oh, just gonna have a few flicks around the mangrove, see how we go. See a lot of little baby mullet getting around in here. Tons of them. Only little, so not ideal for the cast net, but could be some fish just on the other side of that edge. Waiting for them mullet to bugger up. No luck. Tide's on its way out, it's turning, so gonna go back up towards this creek. See how we go up there. Just gonna keep an eye on the water's edge as I go along too. See if we can not see any fish getting around. Good chance there could be some queenies, blueies, blue salmon like. So yeah, keep an eye out. Can't not quickly try it here. Oh, we got something. Oh, what have we got? Flatty. We do too. There you go. Oh. Actually, got some go in it. There we go. Ah. Yeah, you little fella, but good job. Get you off, mate, and we'll get you free. There we go. These little fellas got nice bloody sharp spines on the back of their head. Be careful with them. Oh well. First fish for the NT. I think we'll have a couple more flicks. See, your good old Vibes. They never let me down. If I'm going flicking, I really like the vibes. This is one of my favourite colours. There's a couple of colours out there that have worked for me, but this colour has definitely been on the top of my list. Oh. So I usually find for the Queenies and Trevallies and all stuff like that, I wind it in real quick. No like letting it drop or anything like that, just continuous fast speed. I've had most of my luck catching the Queenies and blueies, blue salmon, doing that when I'm luring. But that's exactly what I was doing when I just got that flooding. But what I might do here is a little bit deeper. I'm gonna let it sink a bit and I'll try different ways. See if there's no cods or something out there. Oh, I don't know if that was... I'm not sure if something come out and took me in a rock or I just went straight into a rock, but it felt like it did a little run. Just seen something swimming through here. I don't know how big it is. Doesn't look too big. Not sure what it is, but have a little play. Oh, there's a bit of bait in there. She might have just been a big sea mullet, big diamond scale. Yeah, right, big schools are whiting. Any little ones? Seeing some big flickers just out there. I know what they are, they're whiting. They're on the bottom and they're turning their body. And it's good because the sun's behind me facing down, so the shadow's not scaring them away and I can see everything out here. What I might do is I might show the line. Yeah, give it a go and see if they're big enough to take what I've got on. No, they're not interested. Throw a yabby out there and they'll smack it. Fuck, that's unlucky. Don't know if you can see that, but it's a car's roof. Just out there. Oh well, not a bad day's fish anyway. Tide was already in and slowly turning, so I just wanted to get out here and have another look, see what's changed, what hasn't changed. Ideally I want to go back out where them rocks are and fish the incoming. I usually get queenies and that coming in with the tide. Anyway, who remembers this spot? It's going back a couple of years now. Come out here for a camp. I was just sitting there, I just cracked my first beer. I'm looking out in the mangroves, it was dead low, no water whatsoever. Slowly it was coming in. Just gonna see these fellas walking through the mangroves. Turns out they're from Arnhem Land and they'll just go and spear and get them some stingrays and whatnot, shoving those sharks. And yeah, I hit them up if I could join them. More than happy they let me come along, tag along, and taught me quite a bit in that, you know, a good few hours we were hanging out for. I'll leave a video up top anyway. Well then, tide is going out. We're go for a walk, quick walk down to the water's edge, and then we'll dart off and go see this girl.